there everyone, welcome back to another video. If you see my last vlog, it kind of went a bit wrong at the end because I was ill. I'm still kind of feeling it, I'm still on the cold and flu tablets, but I'm not as bad as what I was, because if you saw our Bristol vlog, then you know we had to come home early because I felt awful. I threw up on the Friday night. It wasn't a vibe. I think it was neurovirus and a flu because I felt so achy, like even my eyelids, closing my eyelids was horrible. But on a brighter note, I am feeling a lot better. We're going to Windsor today to have a little mooch around the shops, and I thought I'll take you guys with me, see the Christmas lights, get a hot chocolate, have a cozy evening at home. It's time to go, so let's go to Windsor. I'm picking up my mum and then we're going to have a mooch around the shops. See, it's a little bit later on. I look like so lovely. I'm just in my pajamas now. I thought I could make these on today's vlog. So the wrapping, the Christmas presents are all done. Windsor was lovely, but now it's time to unwind, make some cookies, and then I really want to watch, I think it's Red One on Prime or Carry On Netflix tonight. We have watched the Santa Claus today, so feeling all Christmassy. And it's now time to make Snowmen Shortbread biscuits. It says on here, just add water. So I hope mine does actually turn out like this. This little kit is from M&S. So let's get baking. Well, this just shows you my baking ability, to be honest. Icing and me are never friends. Also, I was having trouble with the dough, so I'm hoping they taste nice. I've got a spare one. They literally only make 2 like snowmen. It says 6 cookies, which is obviously 6 of these, but it looks so bad. It looks so bad. They taste nice though, they just don't look nice. Well, that was my attempt at making the snowman cookies. Oh. I don't think this vlog is going to be very long, but if you're still here, please give it a big thumbs up, as it really helps to push my content out there. Don't forget to subscribe and everything. This is going to be the last video before Christmas, so I hope you all have a lovely Christmas and a good new year. However, I will be posting, so I want to film Christmas Eve, Christmas Day and Boxing Day, and do maybe like a long video, or depending how much footage I actually get on the Sunday, which will be what? So Boxing Day's Thursday, 27th, 28th. On the 29th, Sunday the 29th, there will be some kind of video over on this channel, whether it will be all merged together as CJ's first Christmas, which is what it's most likely going to be like, or the start of a 3-day series where I'm going to upload Sunday, Monday, Tuesday before the new year. So if you want to stick around for that, do hit the bell. Hope you all have a lovely Christmas again and a happy new year. And I'll see you on Sunday after Christmas, which is crazy. Like, I can't believe the next time you'll see me is after Christmas. Mental. Like, it's literally like, so I'm filming today, which is the last Saturday before Christmas. So we're in real time. It's CJ's first Christmas. I mean, I don't think I've gone over the top, but my friends and family I feel like have. So we're just going to enjoy the day, film what we can, because I want to capture this. We only get one first Christmas in our life, and it will just be great that he will be able to watch this if he ever wants to when he's older. So that's the reason I'm going to film it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, do all the things, hit the bell, like, give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to eat my disastrous cookies. I mean, they're not disastrous because they're edible, but they just don't look aesthetic. But I'll see you on Sunday for another one. Bye!